I bet you're here because you've heard that forming a single-member LLC can be a game changer for your venture. Well, you heard right, and today, I'm here to guide you through the nitty-gritty of the protection it offers. But first, please give this video a like, press the subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you can always receive information designed to make your business as successful and profitable as can be. Now, to set the stage, I want you to imagine running a business where your personal assets, like your car or your home, have a safety shield against business debts and claims. Sounds pretty neat, right? Well, that's what a single-member LLC can offer you. It's like having a sturdy umbrella on a rainy day, shielding you from the business storms that may come your way. Before we go any further, let me spill some beans with some interesting stats to give you a bit of perspective. Did you know that as of last year, there were over 2.4 million single-member LLCs in the US? That's quite a staggering number, signifying that many have recognized the allure of the personal asset protection that this business structure offers. So let's break it down a bit. When you set up a single-member LLC, you create a separate legal entity. This means that technically, it's the LLC that owns the business, not you personally. This distinction is what provides that coveted layer of protection for your personal assets. But here's where it gets a bit more interesting. While a single-member LLC does offer protection, it's not absolute. To maintain this safety net, you need to operate your business professionally and keep your personal and business finances separate. Basically, think of it as keeping your work life and personal life in two distinct baskets, never mixing the contents of one with the other. And speaking of protection, let's not overlook the taxation benefits. The Internal Revenue Service, or the IRS as we commonly know it, allows single-member LLCs to report their business income and expenses on their personal tax returns. This is known as pass-through taxation, and it simplifies the tax process, saving you time and potentially money. But here's a gentle reminder, despite its perks, forming and operating a single-member LLC does come with its own set of responsibilities. From keeping meticulous records to filing the necessary reports, it requires a disciplined approach to ensure you continue enjoying the benefits it offers. So, you see, forming a single-member LLC isn't just about protecting your assets. It's also about stepping into a more professional and organized business realm. It signals to others that you're serious about your venture, offering not just protection, but a reputation of credibility and stability. For more information and help getting your LLC set up in the best possible manner, please visit legalregistration.com, or you can call our experts right now at 877-955-7111. Also, what's your favorite advantage that LLCs provide? Leave a comment and let us know. Please don't forget to like the video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you can stay updated with tips and tricks to grow your business to maximum profitability.